the APC unit will actually have a red light on the bottom right there. That tells you that the battery is bad. Okay, it has a X on it, tells you batteries are bad. So it'll also beep at you like quickly, like beep, 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 over and over and over again. It's also another indication of the battery failing. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be doing a battery replacement for SmartUp's 1400 VA, okay? So I've already taken the battery cartridge out, but we're going to build a new one, and I'm going to show you how to do that. That is the APC battery backup, okay? This is where the batteries go. So this is the door that houses it, and this is the cartridge right here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to build a new cartridge, okay? So what I did was I purchased new batteries on Amazon. Okay, I'll have a link in the description below to buy these batteries here. Okay, and we're going to build a new pack. So there's no reason to buy a ready-made pack because it's silly. There's no reason for it. You pay all that money, an extra probably $50 or $60 for a cartridge that's already built, and it's so simple to do. It's not even funny. So we're going to do that now. Unscrew the fuse. This is a very, very, very big fuse. And we need to remove this. And we're going to stick it on the new battery. But before we do that on the new battery, I'm going to take all the hardware off of this one first, so we can do it easily on the other one. And I find it less expensive to purchase batteries individually than to buy a cartridge that's already made, because you could simply just do this on your own and not worry about it. So why give all that money to? So we're going to leave the way this is, you know, wired up. See how it is? We're just going to take this out, move it off to the side so we can move. So now this is done. We could put this and put this away. We take the two other batteries that we had, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do here, because this is important. Okay, you need to get yourself shipping tape, packing tape, such as this. Flip over both batteries, make sure they're level, and make sure that they are even, okay, like so. Now, the reason why I'm doing this because I'm trying to save you guys money. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of tape and we're going to stick it on the bottom of one battery, squeeze it together like so, and put it on. So now we're creating our own cartridge, okay? So now we got the bottom taped. So what we could do now is continue around the battery like so. So this doesn't move. Spin it around. Okay. Cut it with your teeth. There's no, I guess you can use a scissor if you want, but I'm kind of a hands-on guy. I brought a scissor anyway, but I don't necessarily need that. So we're going to do another one here just to be sure that it's good. And what we also like to do is, let's see, so let's go across the top too, the little one. We're going to use a scissor for that. Okay, we put the tape across here like so, and we're done. Okay, so now the package, this cartridge thing that we made, now it's a solid piece and it's not going anywhere. However, if we're going to slide this in this way into the UPS, we need to be able to pull it out if need be in the future. So we're going to make our own little pull-out tab with tape, okay? So we're going to cut off maybe a 12-inch or 14-inch piece of tape. I'm going to stick a part of it on the bottom here, like so. Fold it slightly, okay, like this. Put your finger here, fold it over, and then tape it to the battery. And now you have a little tab. All right, so you have this little tab hanging out, and you're going to need this. This is going to be your little handle. All right, so you could pull the batteries out if you need to down the line. So then now you can slide that in with no problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to spin this around. Okay. All right, so this is the side that we're going to be using the battery terminal on. And these nuts have lock washers built in them, which is very good. Then we'll spin around and we'll throw on the fuse. And then this cartridge is technically done. Put and these washers, these nuts have lock washers built into them. Okay. I'm only showing you this because, you know, a lot of people waste money. And it's really simple to do. And if I'm able to show you this, it's a win-win. I actually I have the ability to save you a lot of money. All right, so we put one plastic support down here, protect it from shorting out. Mine are very damaged, and that's done there. So now we do the other side. Again, these are broken, so you know, it's just such an old battery backup. I don't see the need to replace this unless I absolutely have to, and I don't. Sorry, I just try to save money here as much as I can. So I know it looks like hell, but this is it. We're done. This is the cartridge. So what I like to do is I like to put down the date that this was actually installed, 20th, 2018. So when we time to replace the batteries and they don't go past the warranty stage, we can contact the manufacturer and go, okay, it didn't last as long as it said it's supposed to. And then hopefully they'll be able to replace them. So, and that's it. Like this, go like this. Grab the connector on the inside. Snap it in. Battery backup fan just kicked in. Slide this in, like so. Close the door. Okay, there we go. All right, so now you can still see the light is on. Okay, so what we do is we press and hold the test button. And then this will go through the cycle to make sure the battery is still good. It should go out. The primary light should go on. There we go. We're good to go. We're all back to normal again. This will start charging because batteries don't come fully charged. Fan is on, cooling the inside, and we're back to normal again. So now we don't have to worry about losing power and everything resetting. And this battery backup is back in business. And that's it. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.